What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on chess.com. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in chess.com and then you will be redirected to the first official website of chess.com. So after coming to the home page on your left side, you will see two options of login and sign up. So if you are new to chess.com, simply click on sign up, or if you already have an account, click on login and then log in with your account and password and your other credentials. So after login or signing in, you will see this type of dashboard on your laptop. So on the left side, click on settings, and after hovering onto settings, click on all settings, and after that you will see the option of profile. Click on this profile, and here as you can see I have not added any of my profile picture. So when I hover here, it shows me the option of camera, and if you already have profile picture, you will see the option to change or edit it here on the right side. But if you are new and you don't have any profile photo, simply click on it and then upload any of the photo that you want. For example, I want this photo. I'll click it once and I'll click on open. So this will upload my photo. So as you can see, it has uploaded my photo that I have chosen. But if I want to remove it, I'll just simply click on remove. So it will remove my photo. So as you can see, my photo has been removed. So this is how you can add your profile picture and even can remove it, or you can change it if you want. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.